Hello everyone, I am Grishma Sharma.
And I am Abhinav Sharma.
We are parents of Ayana Sharma, who is studying in St. Mary's ICSE school, Koparkarne. She is currently a grade 4 student, and we have been associated with Walnut Education for the last 2 years. And we have had a wonderful journey till now. We have actually seen a transformation in our child from how she has mastered the skills of maths, and from starting from basic calculations of addition and subtraction, and now coming on to multiplication, how she has achieved a significant level.
She is a abacus student and she has been part of this Walnut Education for past 2 years. How our experience before joining this Walnut experience, she was still able to do mathematics, but she was taking time to do that one. But after joining Walnut and abacus classes, she is able to quickly do this calculation, and she is able to solve the problem logically and quickly. So Ayana has won third prize in the mental maths competition, and she was able to do this because of the practice and the effort put by the Walnut Education Academy. She has to go through various level of examination to clear this one, and as a parent we really feel very proud of her, and we are very thankful to Walnut Education for providing this platform and this award because of that.
After achieving this trophy, I felt very happy because it was the first trophy which I got in Walnut Excellent Education. So I was very proud of myself and my teacher, because she sent me lots of practice worksheets